Welcome back. Yes, the detectives gathered the information. Well, David, we have to continue the pun theme slightly. We've had a couple tonight, and now it's time to talk about what you want to talk about.
We can't exceed the quota, though, Richard. There is a strict charter here with pun tally. Now, this is about time tonight. It comes from the Greek word chronos, which means time. I should hasten to add that this information is not second-hand, by the way. It's where we get the word chronometer, which is a very fancy word for a watch, but anything that measures time. Chronology is essentially a sequence of time, and we hear about anachronisms, which is something that is out of time. The word chronic as well is also dependent on the concept of time. So if you have a chronic condition, it is a condition that has lasted a long time. It's not necessarily severe, but it's enduring. That's the key element. And so is the word crony, another word for a friend, is also related to that idea of chronios, meaning long-standing.
So it actually has to be a friend that you've known for a long time for them really to be, one of your cronies.
Look, to be pedantic, yes, that's the case, although this is only speculation, I should hasten to add. They believe it was sort of Cambridge University slang that came about, sort of a little bit of kind of, not private school, but sort of high education pun, in a way, turning chronios into crony. It was actually cited by the great diarist and restoration witness, Samuel Pepys, in 1665. That is the time when it was first actually recorded. And interesting, I should say that Samuel Pepys, without using any puns, did actually write a chronicle. And that, of course, also relates to time, a witness to the passing of time.
Time to go now. Thank you, David. Let's look at the scores. Anne is on 10, Peter is on 23, and we are heading for some more letters, which, Peter, you're going to choose for us.
Lily, could I please have a consonant?
Thank you. T.
And another?
S.
And another?
C.
I'll go for a vowel.
A.
And another vowel.
O.
I have another consonant.
D.
And another.
V.
A vowel, thanks.
E.
And I might go for another vowel, thank you.
And last letter, B.
Time to think. How many did you come up with, Peter?
I've got a 7, Richard.
7 sounds good. Anne?
7.
Let's have yours, please, Anne.
Devote.
And yours, Peter?
I have the votes also.
Once again, would you verify that you are both devoted to that same word? David, no problems there?
I wouldn't expect anything less from a former primary school teacher and language teacher and a pastor. Devotes, it's a lovely 7.
What did you come up with out of this mix?
Well, I was trying for other, I've coasted as well, almost advocates, but in the end, the best that I could find as well.
Nice work, Anne and Peter, 7 each. Let's see what the next letters deliver now. Anne.
This time I think we'll start with a vowel, please, Lily.
Thanks, Anne. I.
And another one.
A.
And another one.
O.
A consonant.
T.
Another consonant.
W.
Another consonant.
R.
Another consonant.
L.
Another consonant.
C.
And a vowel.
And to finish, U.
30 seconds on the clock. What did you come up with, Anne?
A 6.
A 6 for you, Peter.
Over 4.
Let's start with that 4.
Wait.
Thank you. And Anne?
Outlaw.
Outlaw.
Oh, crime pays. I think it paid in last night's episode as well with Mark's suggestion. Outlaw, a good 6. I was hoping for out, looked at outcrawl, not there, but curtail is there for 7.
Nice find. 6 points for Anne. Well, Peter, you both nailed that last numbers game. What selection would you like this time?
I'm going to go for the tried and true family mix. Thanks, Lily.
Thanks, Peter. That's 2 large and 4 small. And our numbers. 1, 8, 9, 6, 25 and 100. And the target to reach is 285.
Let's chase it. I suspect that one wasn't quite so easy, Peter. What did you come up with?
No, I couldn't get there, sorry.
No, outside the scoring range. Anne, what about you?
Ditto.
Ditto.
Outside.
These are tough numbers indeed, Lily. You have been frowning at them. Did they respond to your frowns?
I think so.
Okay, give it a go.
Okay, this is what I did. Now, 25 minus 1 is 24, and 24 divided by 8 is 3, and then 3 by 100 is 300, and then if you take away the 9 and then take away the 6 is 285.
Oh, well done. You should frown at things more often. It produces results. Well done, Lily. Nice work. No score, though, for Anne or Peter in that round. It is still a close game, only 7 between them. Anne is on 23. Peter is on 30 as we head for another break. This time, your clue, ice dives. I know exactly which clue to give you. See you shortly.